All right, emerging at the top spot is the House Quadcom recommendations. Some of the people included in the House Quadcom's list said they are ready to face courts about the accusations against them. President Bongbong Marcos also said it is up to the Justice Department if they will accept the committee's suggestions. Here's a report.
The House Quad Committee's progress report suggested the filing of charges against former President Rodrigo Duterte and his allies, including Senator Bato de la Rosa and Bongo. President Bongbong Marcos said it is up to the Justice Department on how they will assess the committee's recommendations.
Yes, I am aware of that. Well, the DOJ has to make that assessment. So, may recommendation ng Quadcom, ganun naman talagang proseso. When they do an oversight hearing, meron silang findings, i-go forward nila ngayon sa DOJ with their own recommendations as to how to handle the findings in the hearings.
The President explained that DOJ should see first if the recommendations have sufficient basis.
The DOJ will look at it and see if there are in this time to file cases, what cases to file, how to produce the evidence that we will need to actually build the case up. So titignan pa yan, marami pang kailangan pa i-assess na mabuti kung ano yung maaaring maging kaso, kung tama ba yung direksyon ng rekomendasyon ng committees from the House.
In a radio interview, Senator Bato de la Rosa believes the latest move by lawmakers are attempts to ruin the Duterte ally senatorial campaign. He also insisted it has something to do with Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment complaint.
Kapag madimuli siya, lalong-lalo na, eleksyon na. At kapag kaming dalawa ni Senator Bongo ay hindi mananalo next year dahil na-demolish kami, ang gusto ngayon, hindi mananalo next year. So, next Congress, tuloy-tuloy na yung kailang, wala nang harang dito sa Senado sa impeachment nila na gagawin kay VP Sara. So, yun na, tuloy-tuloy na sila.
Meanwhile, Senator Bongo criticized the House Quadcom of seemingly involving personalities who were just merely mentioned in the hearings. He is also leaving the recommendations up to the courts. For Davao City 1st District Representative Paulo Duterte, the House Quadcom should prioritize investigating the people listed in the watch list of the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. He also welcomed the investigation and insisted he has nothing to hide.